Hello Professor, my name is Dimple Panchal and today I presenting my final project. Here is my final project. My project name is developing an AI powered recommendation engine for product and services. Here is the introductions. In today's digital landscape, personalized recommendations play a crucial to role enhancing user experience and driving business growth. AI powered recommendation engine leverage machine learning algorithm and data analytics to suggest relevant to product or services based on user preference, behavior, and intersections. In this project, the main focus is to develop an AI driven recommendation system that will be practiced in suggestion products and services to customer based their customer behavior preferences. In the problems, the traditional recommendations methods often fail to deliver personalized and relevant to suggestions and leading to lower customers to satisfaction and engagements. Many business struggle to analyze vast amount to user data efficiently, resulting in generic recommendations that do not meet individual preferences. This project aims to address these challenges by developing an AI-powered recommendation engine that enhance accuracy and relevance to ensuring a personalized user experience. Project questions like how is developing an AI driven recommendation system that utilizes to machine learning technologies and user behavior and preferences. Second question, how will an AI driven recommendation system enhance personalizations and accuracy in product and services recommendations by leveraging data analytics and predictive modelings. And third one's like how will AI driven recommendation system improve user engagement and customer satisfaction. And fourth one like how will AI driven system optimize business performance. Design development framework. The development of the AI driven recommendation system will follow a descriptive research design, which is the quantitative in nature. All the software engineering principles will be strictly adhered to, including to requirements to gathering and analysis system design and functionalities implementation and performs to testing. And third one is the two facilities to interactive development to incorporations of feedback and continued improvement and software development process will utilize this in this project. System architectures, basically we used to this like scalability, maintainability and security will be that three tied web applications to architecture, which are like front end, back end and database. Use cases. This will give a glimpse of how the buyers, vendors, and administrators will interact with the system. The buyer will search for product online while the vendors, with the help of the AI powered recommendation engine, will present to product. On the other hand, to administer will ensure data security by monitoring the overall performance of the system and managing account. The system like development strategy, the system will be hosted hosted on a cloud on dedicated server with the primary objective of optimizing scalabilities, accessibilities, and reliabilities. The front end and back end application will be hosted by the web server such that they will be able to process user input to API request. The data server will store critical informations about user including transactions, history, preferences and profiles, and finally to ensure smooth performance to domain and hosting services will be installed in AWS or Digital Ocean which are compatible. This is the literature review. After the analysis of various pieces of literature, the following discoveries were made. According to Jaw 2023, many modern business find it challenging to analyze large amount of data efficiently, resulting in generic suggestions do not meet individually customers' preferences. Current method and technology adopt in software development are still facing numbers of issues which include but are not limited to code defect documentations, inflictions to quality issues, and this use of artificial intelligence, knowledge based systems, presidency opportunity, automatic improvement. This is for the personalized recommendations through AI based system applications help enhancing experience and drive sales, user, customer experience, and business growth. It's like system required specifications, like functional requirements is user authentication and profile management, data captures, personalized recommendations, administrations control, and responsive interface. And non-functional requirements, key non-functional requirements include to performance, scalability, security, usabilities, and maintainability. Use case of scenarios like a representatively use case of involve register users accessing to the e-commerce platform, browsing product catalog, interactive with item and interested. The system log this intersection and dynamically adjust personalized recommendations. These tailored suggestions are displayed within the user dashboard, facilitating informed to purchase decision to enhance overall user satisfactions. Technology stack and architectures like front end, back end, database, recommendation engine. Front end is developed using React.js. Backend used to build on Node.js with the Express.js framework to manage asynchronous API requests to user authentication to serve in intermediary between the front-end database and AI component. Database like MongoDB is employed as the primary data store due to the schema-less documentation orient nature which adaptively handles to variety of data types. User include like profiles, product information, user activities. Recommendation engine to develop in Python take advantage of the external ecosystem and machine learning libraries. System architecture diagram. The system architecture follow the three-tier layer platform, enhancing separately concerned to amount presentations to logic and data storage layer. Communication between the layer is facilitated RESTful APIs, enabling modular development and scalability integration of AI components. Application development process. Application process that development will follow to agile methodology with 2 week spirit supporting interactive progress and continuously feedback. Early spirit will focus on gathering requirements, settling up environment, and designing the database schema. Subsequent spirits will follow in implementation of the user authentication, front end, product browsing, and backend is APIs. Security is the security and compliance considered. The security will be considered throughout the entire development life cycle. Crediture will be securely hashed, and Zone Web token will be used to manage authentication session. Testing and validation strategy. Testing include to unit testing and individual components, integration testing for end-to-end communication, and perform testing which simulated corner users. Recommendation quality will be evaluated by using root mean secure, square error, accuracy for precise recall, and revenge conforming to suggested evaluation method. Simulated user testing will be conducted to gain qualitative feedback to improve usabilities. Development and maintenance strategy. The system will be developed in containerized cloud environments such as those provided by AWS, DigitalOcean, Scale, ensure high availabilities to properties, autonomy of the pipelines ensure quicker and more consistent to development processes. The monitoring system will be track performance, error in constant proactive maintenance to efforts. Update will be regularly across security dependencies and features. Ethical considerations. Effort to mitigate bias will include careful pre-processing of training data to avoid unfair recommendation. Transparency will ensure user understand how data is used and recommendation generated. The UI will be designed for accessibility to accommodate diverse users. Limitations and challenges. Limitation include like reliance on synthetic data set, challenges with new user recommendations like cold start, concentration limiting exploring of advantage AI models. Despite these, the system offers a solid foundation of future growth. And this is the reference.